Hey friends, welcome to 5 Minute Session. In this session, we will talk about the Google Sheet, the basic concept in just 5 minutes. So stay with us. First of all, we need a Google Drive here. We can access the Google Drive by writing the drive.google.com in our address bar. Or we can also go with the page, the Google page, and also click on the dotted button, and from there you can also select the Google Drive. In the Google Drive, you can see at the upper left corner there is a plus sign. You can click on it and create a sheet, and also you can click on the blank area, the right click, and select the sheets. There you have two options. One is the blank and second one is the template. Templates are uploaded by some users for us to choose the templates for a specific reason, or we can go with the blank. Here we will select the blank sheet. Now on the top where there is a title there, the Google have already made that one, but we can also change by clicking on it and rename it. And also we have a sign here. From there we can also create the folder, or we can move it to the existing folder. In the workbook area, you have the rows on the horizontal side and you have the columns on the vertical side. And the boxes over here in the workbook are called the cells, which actually have the values. Values can be anything like text, character, date, time, etc. or the formulas. In the bottom left side, you have a plus sign. From this sign, you can create multiple sheets in any workbook. And also there is an other sign with the plus, that is the sign for hide and unhide the sheets. And also by double clicking on any sheet, you can rename it, or you can also right click on the sheet title and rename it or change the colors as per your need. Now if you can see where my hover is, at the below of the menu bar there is a bar which is also a formatting bar. From there you can copy and paste the formats. You can also select any format like number, currency, text, and the dates and more on. You can also select the custom format there. From here you can select the font size and the font, and also you can color the text, and also you can color your cells accordingly as per your need. And with this option you can apply the borders. You can also align your data by clicking on it, like the centers or the left or the right side, and also the position like the wrap up text or not. And also you can create the filters on any given table. The very biggest benefit of a Google Sheet that the multiple user can also work on a single sheet. You can do this by clicking on the share button at the upper right corner. You can also write the Gmail accounts over here to those you want to share your sheets and want you to have a work as a team. Here you have multiple options. You can make admins, you can make editor, you can also give the view only access, and also you can limit your sheet that no one can download this sheet. And if you want to see the activities of your sheet, just go back to your Google Drive, right click on the sheet and click on the view details. On the right side you have a window popped up. From there you can select the activity, and from here you can see who have shared your sheet, or when you have shared your sheet with anyone, or if anyone have shared sheet with you, you can also see that the details. Now you can also see which person of your team have done what or when by clicking on file and then go in the version history. From there you can see which member have done what and when. And if any member of your team have messed up with the sheet, then don't need to be worried for that. You can also restore that version. You can restore this version in this sheet, or you can also create a copy of that version in your Google Drive. You can also protect your sheet. Just right click on the sheet name and select the protect sheet. Here you have the two options. Either you go with the sheet protection or you want to protect some ranges. So choose the option which you want. If you are using this Google Sheet very first time in your Chrome browser and you want to use the shortcuts of the Google Sheet, then you have to enable Chrome keyboard shortcuts. By pressing Ctrl+// a new window will be popped here, and you have to enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts. From there you can also have the information of the shortcuts, that which shortcut is used for which purpose. While working as a team in any given document of a Google Sheet, you can also leave a comment, and also you can leave a notes there. So you can also assign the comments to anyone or any person in your team. That person can also leave a comment on that comment or mark it resolved on each time when anyone done any activity with the comments. At every time the email will be generated for those team members. Also you can add the notes for anyone information, that if anyone want to have any information for a specific thing, so whenever the mouse will be hovered over there, information will be appear. You can also enable the conditional formatting like you do earlier in the Excel. Just right click on any cell and select the conditional formatting from there. New window will be appear on the right side. From there you can select or you can format your data according to your need. You can also add the formulas in your Google Sheet. Just go in any cell, hit the equal sign and then write the formula. Then you will have a list of formulas there according to the suggested formulas. Or you can select any formula of your choice. Just click on insert and then click on the functions. Choose your function according to your need or according to your requirement and then apply it on any cell. You can freeze your rows and columns, just moving it to the right side and also moving it to the down side. And also you can unfreeze them, just moving it back to their origins. This is so because whenever you will scroll right or down, your headers will remain at the top and on the left side. We know that you guys already know about this, but this will be a refresher for you and also a learning for the new users. If you have liked our video, please do like, comment and share. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update from us, because we know 5-minute session every day will change your life. So why you are waiting now? Go and subscribe now. We will see you in the next video. Until then, take your good care.